In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check recent sign-in activity for MS Account Unusual Sign-In to Hotmail. Acct will walk through how to reach your Microsoft account's privacy area from Outlook on the web, where you can review recent sign-ins and confirm everything looks legitimate. This is especially useful if you've received an unusual sign-in alert or just want to double-check your account security. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Microsoft Outlook sign-in page. This is the official Microsoft 365 Outlook login. From there, choose Sign In. If your browser shows accounts you've used before, pick your existing account so you can continue without re-entering details. If your account isn't listed, you can still proceed by selecting the option to use an existing account and then authenticating as you normally do. Once you're signed in and looking at your Outlook inbox, move your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Click your profile picture or initials. A small panel will open with account-related options. In that panel, choose My Microsoft Account. This will take you to the Microsoft Account portal in a new tab. If prompted, complete any verification steps. This can include entering a code from your Authenticator app or email. That extra check is normal and helps protect your account. On the account portal, select your profile name again if you see it as a navigation element. This helps bring the account controls into focus. Next, look to the left-hand side and select Privacy. This opens your privacy dashboard where Microsoft groups tools and information related to your data and account security. On the Privacy dashboard, locate the area for recent activity. Here is where you can review your sign-ins across devices and apps. You'll see timestamps, approximate locations, and the platforms or apps involved. Take your time to scan the entries and make sure each one matches your activity. Keep in mind that location can be approximate, and using a VPN, mobile network, or traveling can shift what you see. If something looks off, like a time, place, or device you don't recognize, use the options provided on that page to indicate it wasn't you, and follow the on-screen guidance to secure your account. A few quick tips as you review. Compare dates and times with your own time zone, look for patterns like your usual phone and laptop, and consider adding or confirming multi-factor authentication if you haven't already. Regularly checking this page is a smart habit and can help you catch issues early. That's it. By reaching your Microsoft account's privacy dashboard from Outlook, you can confidently review recent sign-ins and keep your Hotmail account secure.